or experience PCS. What an opportunity today to showcase the great things we have in Pinellas County Schools. You see the arts behind me, you see lots of academic areas. It is truly amazing to see how many things our students have access to in Pinellas County Schools. The indoor soccer is incredibly competitive.
We're the best in the city, bro.
We have esports going on in the arena inside.
It's very fun, you know, because we get to come out here and face all these other schools and we get to have fun.
Lots of academic games that are fun, and so it doesn't matter if you're indoors, outdoors, academics, athletics, arts, everything is all geared towards this idea that students need to have fun in what they do, and you're seeing it everywhere today.
We are making trail mix. You want to show him the bag you made?
We are making whipped cream, so we have little cups of powdered sugar with vanilla, and you take a mason jar with heavy cream and you shake, shake, shake.
It's cool. I mean, I'm able to make whipped cream.
It was really fun and exciting. I like the CPR where you got to learn how to do CPR. I thought it was very cool.
I was helping the guy survive, and I could be a doctor.
Oh, I think it's wonderful. I love that he decided to do that. I didn't even see it until I looked and seen him doing the compressions. Glad to see what the school district has to offer.
You got it, you got it.
It was fun and really sweaty.
So we're gonna tap. Will you tap where it says?
I thought today was fun and educational, that you could come here to look at what they offer. It was fun to learn about the different liquids and what it can stop and what can it stick to. I saw a lot of robotics. It was very fun.
This is amazing. I mean, these are high school students. I'm impressed, very impressed. This is also learning, imagination, and all that stuff.
Here at Gibbs, we have an incredible team where we build robots and we compete in an international competition.
It's very exciting. It's educational. It's informative. It's very fun.
The kids are having a great time. They get to see what Pinellas County Schools actually has to offer at every level.
All right.
It was pretty great today. We learned about so many different programs. As my daughter, who is an artist, got to participate in the chalk mural, we got to see a lot of the arts. There's a lot going on in Pinellas County, and there's something for everybody.